Good morning to all. So today we are going to see about the second lesson of the geography. Okay, first one, lithosphere 2. Okay, what is the topic of the lesson is lithosphere 2. Already we see in first lesson lithosphere 1. What is the endogenetic process? Okay, endogenetic process means what? Internal process. Okay, now we are going to see about the second lesson lithosphere 2, exogenetic process, external process, outside of the earth. What are the things is happening that we are going to see. So much of the changes was happening. Okay, that all the topics will be coming under exogenetic process. Okay, we are getting the sand now. That also one of the exogenetic process only. Okay, so much of the changes was happening on the earth. That all will be coming under exogenetic process. Okay, so in that, based on that, first topic we are going to see about the weathering. Okay, weathering is a decomposition, disintegration because of the materials on the earth. Okay, it's all happening. So how it will be happens means because of the physical changes, because of the chemical changes, because of the biological changes, these are all happening. Okay, first we are going to see about the physical changes. Physical changes, how it's physical changes means a small thing regularly a stick or maybe some other material continuously if you shaking that particular thing means because of that continuous shaking it will be expelled or it will be broke or something will be happen. Is it or not? Okay, for example this chalk piece is there, I am giving the force will be based on the physics only. Is it or not? If giving the force up to certain force it will be as it is, but I given more force it will be break. Is it or not? See, so this is a thing, is one of the physical process. So that is a thing. So that based on the physical process, based on the topic they are segregated excitation and a granular and a block. Excitation means what is it? Excitation. Good morning to all. So today we are going to see about the geography second lesson. The name of the lesson is lithosphere 2. Exogenetic process. Already we see lithosphere 1, endogenetic process, internal process. Now we are going to see about the external process, actually exogenetic process. So much of the changes was happening on the earth. Okay, on the earth we are all getting this. Good morning to all. Today we are going to see about the geography second lesson. The name is lithosphere 2. Okay, what does it mean? Exogenetic process. First lesson we see lithosphere 1, endogenetic process, internal process. Now we are going to see about the external process. Outside of the earth, what are the changes was happening, how it's happening. Because based on that, we are going to see in this lesson. So based on that, the first topic we are going to see about the weathering. Weathering is a disintegration and decomposition which are all available materials on the earth. Disintegration will be happen, decomposition will be happen. Okay, integration also will be happen. Okay, these are all happening. How it's happening? Because of based on the physical changes, because of the chemical, because of the biology. Okay, so physical changes, how it will be, sir? Okay, how it will be happen means, for example, some of the rocks, because of the day and night process, because of the climate changes, because of the temperature changes, the rock will be expelled and it will be again it will be freeze. Because of that it will be broke, sometimes it will be get a very big crack. Okay, explanation. First explanation. Next one, granular. Because of the continuous heat, pressure, because of the frost, the rocks will be what is it? Because of the pressure, it will become as a seed. Actually, small stones will get outside. Because of the big holes will be happening like this. Big holes. But it all will be the single rock. But it will be get some holes. That also will be happen. This is one of the physical changes. Granular disintegration. Okay, explosion. Next one, granular. Explosion also because of the pressure, because of the heat energy, it will be expelled and it will be freeze. Because of the crack will be happen. And the blocks will be happen. The same only. Compared to the crack, block will be somewhat big actually. This also because of the expanding of the rock especially. Yes, day and night it will be happen. In the daytime we are getting more temperature. At night time the temperature will be somewhat reducing. Because of that, again, how the rock was expanded, the same as it is, it was compressing. So because of these regular changes, very big block will be happen in the rock. So these all the changes will be coming under physical. Okay, next one we are going to see about the chemical weathering. Chemical weathering. Normally the rocks are already, I told, rocks are the package of the chemical actually. Package of the chemical. Okay, because of that chemical, if you what that water if mixed means, if any chemical is more in that particular thing means the reactions will be happen. Because of some chemical, because of so much of the heat energy, it will be happen something. Okay, so these changes are because of the minerals, some changes will be happen in the rock. That all changes will be called as a chemical weathering. So chemical weathering, how it is? Oxidation, first thing oxidation. If suppose in one rock we have the iron mineral more means, if the rain it's came or because of some flood, whatever it may be, the rock absorbing the water. Because of that, what will be happen? Already in the rock, already iron is more means, because of that water, it will be converted as a rust. Normally iron will be, what will be a normal iron? The water is there means it will be become rust. It will be get rust. The same thing will happen in the rock also. Because of more iron mineral, because of the water, it will be become, the rock will be get rust actually. Okay, so this is one of the changes of the chemical weathering. Another one, what is that? Because of the carbonized. Okay, because of the carbon, because of the water, it will be converted into carbon dioxide. Because of that, the rocks will be chances is there to disintegration. Carbon will be more in that particular rock means, if the water was mixed in the particular rock means, because of this reaction, chemical reaction, the carbon dioxide will be happen. So the cracks will be developed more. So chemical reaction. So physically also will be happen. Chemical reactions also will be happen. Okay. Next one, solution. What is that? Some other minerals also will be there. Some other minerals also will be there in that particular rock, because some other minerals also available in that particular rock. Because of these chemical reactions, the rocks will be disintegrated. Okay, so like this, so much of the changes was happening on the rock by the way of physical also, by the way of chemical also. Okay, next one, biological. Simple biological. Maximum biological is based on the humans only. For our convenience, for our possibilities, however we need, we are making the rock into some different changes. Not only the rock, maybe the earth also will be what was changing is changing because of our convenience. And another some other reasons, the roots is traveling, because of that the changes was happening in the rocks. Yes, it's happening. It's happening. So that kind of process all will be called as a biological method. So like that, so much of the changes was happening on the earth based on the physical, based on the chemical, based on the biological. Okay, and here after we are going to see about the gradation. Okay, gradation means what is it? We have the river. The way of the river, we are getting more minerals. Because of that, the river we are getting the sand. Okay, deposition is there, exfoliation is there. Okay, so much of the changes was happening. Not only in the river area, in glacier area we are getting, in the desert area getting because of the wind. Glacier area we are getting changes is because of the high temperature. So the changes was happening on the earth. That all will be called as exogenetic process. In upcoming classes, remaining topics we can see. So today we will be seeing about the weathering, about physical weathering, chemical weathering, biological weathering. Okay, so learning and writing. Okay, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.